Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we're going to be continuing our R2-D2 build. We have issue 21 and a set of parts that really just looks like a big white box to me. I'm not sure what this is, so let's crack it open and find out. Alright, so here are the parts that we get with this issue. It looks like we're going to be building some more of the right leg. We have the right leg bottom rear cover and the right wheel mounting plate, as well as a bunch of screws. Alright, to begin assembling this issue, you're going to need this leg assembly from the previous issues, as well as the metal frame. You're going to need 2 silver screws and 8 black screws. Now the instructions say 8 small black screws, but I don't have 8 of the smaller black screws, so I'm going to use these longer ones and hopefully they will fit. And when it says silver screws, there are actually 3 different types of screws. These ones are the fattest, the most wide screws. And I believe these are the ones that we're going to have to use, but it doesn't really specify in the instructions. So I guess we can try assembling it and see what happens. To begin, we'll take this leg assembly here and we'll flip it over. And you want to take the leg frame here and make sure that the angle is pointing in this direction here. Okay, the angle should be going off to the left a little bit. And just slide that in place just like this. And we have to use 8 black screws to assemble it. Looks like in these holes here and these holes here. So let's do that. Well, it looks like those 8 long black screws actually did work here, and it affixed the blue segment here, the blue section here, permanently on there as well. So this is actually a lot more sturdy than it was prior to, so that's good. And for the next step, we're going to take this piece from the previous issue. I'm going to slide it. We're going to make sure this curve is facing outward on the outside of this. I'm just going to slide that thing on just like that. I'm going to guess, yeah, it goes about like so. It does not seem to be attached at all. It's just hanging there loose, at least for the moment. Now we take this from the outside, from the front side here, with the angle pointed off to the right. We're going to take a look at this. You can see there's a very small lip on this side and a larger lip on this side. The larger lip is going to be facing out like this. There are 2 posts and 2 screw holes that are going to line up in here to keep it in place. And we attach it with 2 silver screws, and like I said, I'm going to try those fat silver screws. Let's see if that works. Alright. On there nice and tight. Those fat silver screws were definitely the right screws for the job. So we seem to be making progress, and you can take a look. It's kind of hard to see, but you've got little indentations here that seem to line up with the frame pieces here. So I'm going to guess that this is going to go just like this, and something else is going to slide in on this side to keep it stable. But looks like that will have to be for a future issue. Looks like we did not actually use this at all, at least for now. So we'll have to wait and see how this plays out. And there you have it. Issue 21 is complete. Looking pretty nice. This says rear cover plate, so I'm assuming it's going to go something like this, give or take. Doesn't really seem to... Oh, there it goes. That's probably how it goes. well, we'll wait and see how this all plays out as we continue the build. But still in all, looking pretty good. All right, well, if you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.